Watching Wakwa Badom TV, Badwam Jumadi, so Yadanyamias, Sana watch fefen so call Abatuye, do a day, Yahunu be. Jumadiana, Yasha, Siano, Yadicasian, and Eddie Kind Womb, some no Adorson. The Otojo Mubia, Ubetini, NDC, and MPP for Nina, and one more Casa, a year, 2 be a Koso East office, a war, a year, Sangarigu. Abatom Pesiano so limited voter registration no mo ye de hon sam ni chemo ebebro ye bebora ensam no mo na afa yakwa akoshe ene yi ye saudai abatom Pesiamra shebedwani ya wo ho ensam bi a wode tudwa eno ne ensam bi na no pay me de bro Adom TV Badwam kase wo share live on Facebook/Adom TV extra Go TV 119 DSTV 280 or YouTube Adom TV 2 kase no ne dwumadi hodo ewo ho bididi afia amankwa tamaklo afia ni de mientie se den samni chiremo ankasa etie MPP ene NDC amanyokuo enenei obia kire we na ye etututu obia koso ewo sanarigu abatom Pesiano so ewo voter limited voter registration exercise koso Adom TV etwaso.
Whilst we're putting our people in queue to register, we saw people coming from the bushes and they started firing. And everybody was scared for their life and they moved away. So what happened here is that we are very, very sure that whatever happened here as a result of the gunshots was the blame mind of MPP people. Because yesterday we had information that they had a meeting and they agreed that since the numbers are favoring NDC, what can they do to slow down the process? The only way they can do that is to institute violence, and that is what they have actually come to actualize here. So the whole thing is that we didn't even the whole thing didn't even start as a result of what is it called raising objection against people or not. We didn't even start the process when they came and they started shooting, firing the gunshots.
Alhaji Musa Fuseni Dangoma eye dwemtenani a woda Sanarugu MPP amanyuku no ano ono so dia to just say
boy what ya shelo man ka NDC nam labrota parse ka ne bi ma ko no registrement ka ba ka ne bi ma jama so according to ne Canada de la ba sha atay sa organize la mara fangerba ne zo bi kana ke ka MPP no mate no na ban kumba so ka pilgela la mara fuma nyo la mara fuma pilgela nyo kan karati to amane pana jembra pa mara fangerma ba this time to post solution
Rasha bejani ya ujinem de ma de share wasa odai abatom Pesiano so wo from Montemo ye Esquire Roxen Nelson dafia makpo se wo behwe na wo de EC chairperson mamije mensa bamrasha bedo fiem na fe wabechire musika yede ema eye parliament jitum mu se yemfanya limited voter registration exercise ekosi.
All the 70 polling stations I was served that it will here 10 cities. Yeah, the 10 cities number where limited registration to only one. So we trust Kaniso. What Tichubu? Bisano. Yes, and then the number of personnel that you need to use. So what is so? So you are also contributing to the unemployment in the system, which is something a lot of people don't think about. This is a constitutional body. This is a statutory body. You are supposed to employ people for your work. You are limiting how you do the work by reducing opportunity for people to serve with the institution. It has to stop. Registration as a CAN every day, because every day somebody turns 18 years. Every day somebody turns 18 years. You understand? So when somebody turns 18, they don't have to wait for 2 years for the Electoral Commission to register them. So there should be open day registration, Monday to Friday. Anytime somebody turns 18, the person will just walk in and get registered and leave without joining queue, being carried in vehicles where vehicles are getting accidents. What do you do? Because of voter registration.
Adishia ya womo Mori Junction and so Irisa one near Massa, ne one fast born mobia, ne mum, whatever boy bra sable commencase, Mensino Assembly, one more and ama and Shira Beto Munche Moni Adom Cassie, Edin Comway.
In fact, I have been because I thought I gonna acquire a Willis car, because maybe I saw that Nebesino, yet I'm a son of money, so by you, who you come out to check out like a Syria far. I saw that nature man so to a bit to our muscle. And so, you know, that the so the way I after on the car, I thought I told you for the woman. So you're taking no more make you can see the safer. Oh, better for the motor if you are not so much together. See, I had me now. Apart from church and for them, be all man, I can win ya say. Sad I know to my time on this side and on so still. Of course, we will cry after to go to see your honor. But no, can say, if you will say so, come after person, soon up over the night, they won't be. Holding I had a idea, and my friends, the best are some you know say. So we be able to try from one man, and send the series, almost cannot be doing for a while. Now, we are going to will be able to see that.
Afufuro bi nso oni amane boni hwehwe nkomo no eto aso se de gatesan kese nsuo famu e woto boot ene Mori Junction ho no mu emu asisie no e ka ho bi e na ama nsuo no eyiri fa wo no
na ofa nim ho no so ya wa ya big kakaba na first na bridge bi wo nim ha na ofo na o ya kakaba wo abose nim ho dam bridge no so ka ho na so no ho
ya da bridge no so It is Yaka in Swaba Wuki na Wustemi, Abangama Dam na Sisiara. I say,
you can phone assessment now. Most of you are saying,
Kane founder ma GN Bank our amanyoni no ye na dwuma papa bi Dr. Papa Kwesi Indum or the two aban nanim senke ya GM Bank tumi a waje fi won sem won fo won de e ma won ne kasa mu no kire sebra na GM Bank tiase no enyuma wo ye eswani so ka kire koko roads a hodo a won mo ye bridges ni schools a hodo ya wo ye na ho ka be 1.8 billion Ghana cedis and what dem contract emusam Adom TV etwaso.
So what used to be about 1.8 billion Ghana cedis, listen to me again. A debt that used to be 1.8 billion Ghana cedis is now more than 7.1 billion Ghana cedis. I'm not talking old Ghana cedis or old cedis. That is real new Ghana cedis. If you convert it into US dollars, it's about $500 million. And it's growing every day with interest. So the government of Ghana and its agencies, if they had paid us even 1/3 of that money to the contractors 6 years ago, there wouldn't be a Gold Coast or Black Shield problem, there wouldn't be a GM Bank problem, there wouldn't be a problem with any of our companies.
Frank Tufu a wonum edi amanyoku ahodo nyina animu se sansemi woma ehia wonum pa esan se enipa bebre ena sesei wonum enam saade so ama wonum adwuma abo wonum ne senti sempo mampani Adom Kwakufuado amfa wonum tumi krata no ama wonum a se wonum enya kwanya bediman so a wonhwe na wonfama wonum.
So if you are competing to become president, I'm also serving you notice. If this Akufo-Addo administration, they don't give us a license, be ready. When you come, you will give us our license back. And you will see what will happen all over this country. The vigor, the enthusiasm that we will use to lift up GN Bank, to make it become a spectacular bank for the unbanked, the millions and millions who are looking for a safe way to save their money, but also the small businesses who are looking for money. So
Ecosol Company and our limited here Jumakua one more Jospon group of companies ACB and one more Edia Husia Jumadia Shaso our Volta Lake a years a many no South Dimensimo our from Mantemo na one boat owners and community members Neshia one moon Emma Hunidio Koso we what their foot also the ama one offense so no life jacket today. I was a one motion a bribia na bo hu banya Adom kase etwase
clean up where we involve the community to clean the place and also use the opportunity to sensitize them on sanitation issues and how to keep their landing sites clean. Germany being a major landing site, we chose today to come here and then join with our workers and then work also educate them. And also use the opportunity to give more life jackets. We've brought life jackets here we realized that the kids also need life jackets because they cross the water for various reasons, for school and other things. So we also brought life jackets here to augment what we have already so that we keep improving safe travels on the water.
Godwin Kwame Jazawa South Dai Mensini Krache, Ebra, Wujina Mensini na Nemua, waje saa life jackets efri ekozoil honomono, and I will share one more bose, one edi abasobodi edwumedie bi eba beto honomo a subonto wura no mo a wobehwe ama wono mo obefro won subonto mu ahye life jackets ni bi wo bra wo twa sutade no.
Ecozoil workers currently working at the lakeside. You can see them, they are about 65 in number, but I've seen this number as inadequate. Looking at the stretch of the lake side, at Germany here, we need more hand on board. So, yeah, the number of people employed, which is 65, is inadequate. So it's putting a lot of pressure on the existing workers at the lakeside. So our appeal to Ministry of Transport, I know they are spearheading this project.
Board chairperson Dema Lower Pra Rural Banks Ora aye Abba Dawood and a nay was a Ghana and city na and an formal Pragon Munina is science Kakasian Shenono. Yamianuni a Gunuma and I have banks a hodono. To the other side, to a binding on your new bit to me be a Sabaya, can move a drew now Buanuma.
Osunobia na ojisikana Juma Ozikezi. It is ojisikana me fund or Saba $. Oh, yeah, Boshana Nisidino, why a cakraba because they be a dollar in the Okoso as a chawaba phone. But your customers are always going into the Bia Yesha cran. They are Ghana for Ghana cities. It is all the fun I can there is a sun in $. In a batcho kakra. Hence, Yellow Ghana for Yenzi Gawa Ghana. Mama Kanata, sir, Yenzi Gawa Ghana. As you go Ghana, Kita cities are as a quarter as the cities. Hence, in Kakan Kakra, I shall see a baby. A good do baby, I want to say figure. Since you are in the Sikakasa, Mezuchukan, Mekafanzama Kasa, obey you.
Cletus Bensio Deputy MD ARB Apex Bank. One also near money winning to chunk come out in Simbi at Suja.
Siano, robbery, no, until robbery was system medium because of bullion vans and armored bullion vans. Yediabano. Moreover, also, you have to talk to bulletproof helmet, any vest. Ediboa, Yem Juma Fono, Omoye, species is a cancer. In as much as almost bullion van, no, almost helmet, any vest, a protective. Inti abua these days, those days, so better say kakra ya bo bitio, kakra bo bitio ya hijack track. But see na ya di bullion vans abano. Sad news, and maybe the only thing I'm urging in rural banks is that we should be more vigilant. The fact that he ain't say ACCC doesn't mean say in Crawford.
Maynard no sona Adom TV Badwam kase na hana bema kwan na no pay ye de sie sedan koma emrani adaje raden so mfa nkomra somdiem dwumedie no ye to so ye de bon krata ne online stories ne ba ne mom mitwam ho sima mienu ye ba ye dikan